Hi, this is John with WTI, and to always keep it clean and always trying to have good alternatives on the go, this Lysol disinfectant wipes, lime smell, just does a great job. So what I do in my case is that I keep this in my car in one of the compartments, and every time that maybe I'm eating something or doing something with any other parts of the car, and I always try to keep all my surfaces clean and disinfected, trying to prevent colds or trying to, or even at the simplest thing that somebody just asked me for a wipe, this guy is always here. And the good thing is that it's easy just to give the storage. You put it in one of the compartments of the car or any other place, and it's just gonna do the great job. It's a good option for just staying clean, being convenient because it's not gonna take too much storage, and it's just an overall great experience. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.